Hey, this is John with All American Eyeglass Repair. And what I'm here to talk to you today about is one of the most common repairs we see throughout the day, and those are temple pieces. And let me show you a few things. So Mike, if you'd zoom in on here for me. So what I have here first is a non-spring temple. And these temple pieces are referred to us by our customers as wings and arms and bows and side pieces. But don't worry, we understand what you're talking about. So this one here, as I said, is a non-spring. And what it just has is a hinge right here that stops in the open position. What we can do on these when they do break is we have the ability to change these out and match your frame as close as possible, or remove that broken hinge and laser weld a brand new one on there for you. Another piece that we have right here is the monoblock. It's a spring-loaded temple without an interchangeable block. It does have the ability to flex outward, springs in, clicks up and down that way. But because it doesn't have the ability to be changed out, what we can do is change these and match your frame as close as we can for you and get you back on your way. The ones we can change out would be a style like this. This here has this interchangeable box here on it. Same thing as the last one, springs out, clicks in and out where there. As I said before, we can change this box out. We can trim this out, clear this off your original temple, laser weld a brand new box in there for you, and have you working as good as new when you came back in. And one of the last styles of temples we can have here for you is the cable temple. And as you can see, that cable wraps around your ear right there. When it came in before, what it had was this paddle on there. What we can do is measure that out, custom fit that for you, and get that cable put on there for you, and fit just like a glove. As well as the cable temples here, one thing we see a lot are these RayBan cable temples right here. They go on the shooters, the aviators, the outdoorsmen, and we have the ability to change these out, gold, black, and silver. If this is something you folks feel like you need done, you can come over and see us, All American Eyeglass Repair, and we can get that taken care of you because you need to see now.